In this video, you'll learn how to remove a second account from your Phantom Wallet. This process allows you to manage your accounts effectively by eliminating any unnecessary ones. First, open your Phantom Wallet application on your device. Ensure that you are logged into the wallet that contains the accounts you wish to manage. Once the wallet is open, you will see the main interface displaying your assets and accounts. Next, locate your profile icon, which is situated in the top left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a small silhouette or a user icon. Click on this icon to access the user settings. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This action will redirect you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your wallet. Once you are in the settings section, look for the option labeled Manage Accounts. Click on this option to view a list of all the accounts associated with your wallet. You will see them listed as Account 1, Account 2, and so on. Next, identify the second account that you wish to remove. You will notice 3 dots displayed next to this account. Click on these 3 dots to reveal additional options related to the account. After clicking the 3 dots, a menu will appear with the option to remove account. Select this option to initiate the removal process. At this point, be aware that removing an account is a permanent action. A confirmation prompt will then appear asking you to confirm that you want to remove the account. Review the information presented, and if you are certain about your decision, click Confirm. This step finalizes the removal of the second account from your Phantom Wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.